Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to make and receive calls on MacBook. So I'm gonna open my FaceTime here. So, hey, this is me, right? Let's say I logged in or used the same credentials from my phone to MacBook. Will I receive video calls or audio calls? The answer is yes, right? Whenever someone is calling you via audio or video, your FaceTime will receive that call and let you know that this same person is calling you on your phone, right? So you can pick it up via laptop or via your phone, right? If your phone is, far away or you're charging it maybe, then you're gonna be able to pick up that call inside your MacBook. You don't need to do anything. You need just to sign in using the same credentials as your phone, right? Once you do that, then all the calls, all of the video calls will be received also on your MacBook, right? So you don't need to do anything here. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Consider turning on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Liking, sharing this video is very important to us, right? Then we will see you in the next time.